question was, why do farts smell more inside than they do outside?
That wasn't my exact question.
Okay, what was your exact question, Siah?
Well, I don't remember my exact question, but that's how I'm putting it.
All right. So this is a smaller amount of water than this is. Okay, so this will represent inside and this will represent outside. So air can be mathematically modeled as a fluid. It has fluid-like behaviors, okay? Though you can't really see it. So we're going to use water and food coloring to demonstrate this in another fluidic environment. All right? So, how near you? So we have a larger container of water and a smaller container of water. So we put a drop in, and it put a whole squirt in. So you see, it dispersed, it spread out, right? Now let's put it in the larger container. It's gonna spread out too. But it's got a lot more area to spread out into. Does that make sense? So a little bit of wind goes outside and it's gonna spread it even more. Which one is darker green?
This one.
Right. That's why. Because you're gonna get more of your fart in your nose because there's more of it in the air because it's in a smaller area and there was less wind to disperse it. Alright? Now even if you had like a fan or something going inside, that's gonna spread it out. But which one's still darker?
That one.
Because there's less area for it to spread out into. Okay? So that is why your fart smells worse inside than it does outside.
See you next time.
Oh, science.
We have boys.
Yeah, that's even greener now.
You want to see how much extra? So they're both even right now. Let's see how many extra it takes.
3 spoons. Let's stir it.
I want to stir it. Can I stir it? I want to stir it, please. Can I stir the next one?
Are they about the same?
Yeah.
Almost.
Do it
So
like
that's got
that.
6 and that's got 2. So that's 3 times more in there to get that. But how much bigger is outside than inside? A whole lot more.
Then it would be like 10,000
Hi,
squares.
you're adorable, but I'm not letting you play with food coloring. Oh, yes, the world has ended. Come here. So, what kind of food coloring is this? I was expecting a drop. It's really weird. Okay.
We have boys.
Can you have some food coloring?
Oh, Mom, this is
Wait, for what? You want to taste food coloring?
Can I?
Well, one drop.
Can I?
Tilt your head back. There you go. What does green taste like?
Right?
Okay. Green tastes green. Got it. So if you ever taste colors, something's wrong.